Hey guys, this is OSP Pro. I'm going just to be introduced for you on how to start a programming with R. Now in this video simply I'm going to just show you how to make up a simple R graph just like this. Now this is going to be a complete video for beginners. If you're interested, come to OSP Digital Solution and register R programming. Now mainly in R, what we tend to cover in R is what known as data analysis. So this is going to be mainly for programmers, and whoever who is interested, whether you're a programmer or not a programmer, you can always come in, or you can always learn one known as R programming. Now R programming is not a very complicated programming language. It just needs to have, as long as you can just understand the graphs, you happen to understand maybe how the sharing things tend to work out, like maybe trying to knowing how a graph, what is needed for a graph to. So someone called this to be a graph. As long as you know what takes to be a graph, the graph will have the y-axis and the x-axis. Now, under the x-axis, you should at least have the coordinates of the y-axis the same as the coordinates of the y-axis. So if you can differentiate those two, definitely the program will be having what known as we shall be having in the graph something like this. And we should give this graph of ours, we can also save it in a PNG format, or we can save it in this format as PostScript, PDF, PNG, BMP, TIFF, and GI, and this other kind of formats. So you can also go to record, where you can record your own stuff. You can add it. You can also get to the variables, and also you can also resize it. Now at the moment is that RF mode. You can also turn to fit, whereby fit means being that size, the size you're seeing there, and the fixed size is that. So let me take it back to this mode of RF mode. Now let us now try to do this stuff. So I'm going to just open up my command prompt. Let me launch out my command prompt. Now underneath my command prompt, I already have R installed in my machine. If you don't have R installed in your machine, this is what I have to let you know. Just go to your PC and simply type one known as R installation. So let us type this R installation. Maybe R free download. Get. So when you type R free download, this one definitely will take you to the platform where you'll be selecting up R to download into your PC. Now it will be like 1,000 stuffs of them. So this R, whereby you'll be supposed to download R Studio, R whatever, which you might be interested in. So the one I'm on right now is this R Studio, which you can also download. So when you go in here, you can get this R. So this is a link which I'm going to be providing you guys on my description of this video. And also there's also this provision here. Now without wasting time, since I've already shown you where to download R from, let's just go back inside here and then try to make this. So by adding R to the command prompt, I already made that video, so we can cross check on our video for R development. Just type R, click enter, and then underneath R we just want to make a program for 1 minute. So just define your variable, maybe X, that this, maybe you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have also have maybe Y, which is that, and maybe we have maybe 5, this, that. Okay, so there are 5. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I cross that, I will simply say plot for me X and Y. So I said do that. I said plot X and Y. So that's it. That's the graph, or that's our graph. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you all guys. Love you. Thank you.